Let's find out how James plans on going big tonight.
When I hit the throttle and I explode off the ramp, it is a pure danger, adrenaline rush. I ride freestyle motocross doing tricks, and the tricks I'm gonna be performing are pretty dangerous. If I mess up the way I have it planned, it's gonna slam you straight onto the ground. I've broken my left hand, broken my left foot, broken my right ankle a few times, broken my femur, but I'll keep going big no matter what. I'm one of the best at what I do. Now I'm here to push my limits and go as big as I can.
This is a big jump.
This is next level.
This is gonna be great. All right.
Wow.
What's up, judges?
Hello.
How's it going?
Today, we're gonna be jumping 75 feet from that ramp to that landing. The bike weighs 250 pounds, and it should be good.
Okay.
Go
okay.
big, man.
You guys ready?
Let's do
Let's
it.
go.
Yeah.
I got confidence.
Hey, hey.
I'm afraid to watch.
I'm gonna be like this.
I was 100% about to
Oh
do
my
this.
gosh.
I hope he gets enough speed.
I know, right? Strong, round one. That's so fun!
This one has been years and years of practice. I couldn't tell you how many times I've crashed doing it. Broken femur, but you guys will see me go completely upside down doing a backflip.
Oh,
Okay.
do your thing. It's
Do
your
it, do it, do
control.
it. Look beautiful.
Positive thoughts.
Can we get the carpet pulled back under the ramp?
Oh, what they adding? They adding something?
Hey, they're rearranging the ramp right before he goes.
Is this a good idea?
Yeah. Sweet. Woo!
Well done.
Holy crap.